How to import products from AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can import different products from AliExpress within your Shopify store. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now it's very simple and it's very easy. First thing what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to install an application called Deezer. So if I come over here, oops, sorry about that. So if I come over here onto the application section, this is the application that we are going to install. It's called Deezers. It's very simple, it's very easy, so, and it's free as well. So just simply search for Deezers, all right, and it's gonna open up the application store over here onto the next tab. But since I've already installed it, it's opening up the application itself. Now importing products is very simple, right? It's so easy. I'll show you. It's almost too easy. So what you're gonna do is come over here onto import list, right over here, keep this open. These are all the products that I've imported from Deezer. It's so simple. Let me show you. Next, open up AliExpress, right, and find a product. So this is a product that I thought was pretty cool, right? So all I would need to do next is just simply copy the link of this product. That's it. Copy the link, go back over here and paste the link within this description. Just simply put it over here into the import list, over here onto the left side, import list, and simply paste the link over here and click on OK, and your products are here. Simple, right? Same thing you could do with multiple different products. Same thing we could do with this one over here. Paste it over here, click on OK. It's gonna import the product over here. The third one as well. Let's copy that link, paste it over here, click on OK. It's gonna import it over here. Now that it's imported, all we need to do is just simply check these boxes if we want to push all of them within our Shopify store. But if you want to edit them, you can just simply click on edit a product over here. You can choose the variants over here, description, images. You can choose which image you want to keep, which image you want to remove, right? Like you can see we have a bunch of different image. So let's say we want to remove this image. We don't want that. We'll keep these, okay, and we'll also remove this image, and maybe we'll select this one, and yeah, that looks good. And if you want to change the name, you can change the name as well. White v-neck long sleeve. It's a very long name, so what we'll do is there are 3 variants, all white, so we'll keep the white. We'll remove this over here and we'll just keep this one, white v-neck long sleeve crop top. Yeah, think that looks good. Then we just simply click on save, and the product will have been edited. As you can see, smaller name and all of that. Then we can just simply select over here. We can either select individual products and then click on the push to Shopify button, but if we don't want that, we could either go with this one and just click on the push to Shopify button if you just want to import one product. And we can also click on also publish to online store so that the product is ready to be sold online as well. So then just simply click on push to store, push to Shopify, wait for a couple of seconds, and your product will be imported and sent to your Shopify store. Next, if you want to see if it works, come over here onto your Shopify store. Underneath products, you will find your product right here. As you can see, this is the product right here, white v-neck long sleeve crop top. So as you can see, this is work. Same thing with other products as well. You can go ahead and unlimited amount of products. Well, not unlimited. You can import up to 10,000 products from Deezers to your Shopify store. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.